Okay, ang chief complaint ay having doubts about pursuing med but still wants to give it a try.
Yung ano dito ay, ang daming depende, kaya siya maraming conjunctions kasi maraming depende talaga sa ganitong concern. Depende sa'yo, depende sa, kasi yung, di ba, marami nagsa-start with a dream in their mind, but a lot of that will change as you go through med school, as you see kung paano yung profession. Marami akong kilala na like, parang ganyan, neurosurgery yung gusto dati, pagdating, ikaw, besh, di ba, ganun
Yun na
ka
nga,
din?
kaya ba, sige, go. Correct.
Tama, di ba? Parang, marami kang matututunang bago, marami kang makikilala pa. I guess one thing is keep an open mind sa options and be okay with the fact that dreams can change. You still really want it at the end of it all. Kaya naman siya. It's just that wag kang matay down dahil lang na na-express mo na ako, pangarap ko to. Kailangan ito yung pangarap ko forever.